Hey, this is my granddaughter, Marissa. Marissa, how we doing today?
Good.
Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
We're finally going to go fish a tournament. I mean, we've all been closed in because of the COVID deal. And now we get to go fish.
Yeah.
So, like I said, we're going to take the big boat and we're going to fish a tournament. I am so excited. We got rods and reels. We got everything ready to go.
Okay.
And, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Here we go. You get your rod. I got mine. Let's catch some fish here. Oh, I lost one. I lost
one.
another one.
Marissa's the winner.
No.
I got one. Oh, I got another one.
So did Marissa.
They're biting.
I'm winning so far. Oh my goodness. One upside down.
Next fish wins. We're tied.
Oh my goodness. Wait, I'm going to have to fix that one, okay? I am not cheating.
Okay.
But I have to fix it.
I lost another one.
So far, I am winning. No. So.
And Marissa's the winner.